guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from IKEA. I don't know if you guys have it. Some of them I made it, some I made, and some it's from Build-A-Bear. And some that's from IKEA. Yeah. So, the first thing first is the funny one. It's really funny. It's like, okay. And if I put my finger inside, look what's gonna happen. A bubble comes out. It's so funny. Bubble comes out. Like that. And then I got a banana over here. A banana, as you can see. It's super stretchy. Somebody just passed. Okay, who cares? I got this banana. It's like, this is from Build-A-Bear, and I love it. Like, I also said to my dad, please buy this. I really like it. Like, I really wanted to have it for like a long time. Like, I love it. I talk actually Sweden, and you know, I don't know. I can't speak English, but I can't. But yeah, I can speak English. I can speak English, but for real, I talk like Sweden. So if some of you guys, I forgot how you say the word. I forgot how you say it. Like, what was the name again? Okay, it's something like, if you guys talk Sweden, then it's, I'm going to tell you guys when it was my birthday. It was like last night. Last night. Because look, I went to jump yard. So maybe you guys. And I got some presents from my best friend. From my friends. Not best. One, I have like, yeah, not all of, like 4 friends came, and that's it. 4 friends. And I got 4, whatever. Let's just get this. This is like a banana from Build-A-Bear. And this was also from Build-A-Bear. So, yeah. And then I got slime. You see? I'm going to open it. Ugh. Okay, good thing that didn't fall. Here. Oh, let's see if it sticks in a wall. So, let's see if it sticks. Whoa, whoa. It fell in my hand. Let's try again. How about if I hit it? Whoa. Can you guys see it? Okay, great. Let me try again. Whoa, I got it again. Whoa. Last one. Whoa. Okay, that was cool. And I got like a slime too. It's really funny. Stay still. Oh my god, it's just so hard. Stay still. I'm gonna use the banana so it can stay still. Okay, yeah, whatever. I got the slime over here. Whoa, wait, let me try something. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Let me take it out. This slime is like really slimy. Like, slimy. But I got some glitter in it. I didn't make this. I didn't make it. But it's really fun to play with it. And yeah. No, I'm gonna put it like that. See? And put that on. Like that. Ta-da! And it's like this something, I can't read that. I can read, but I can't read like, okay, let me, I don't know like that much English how you spell something like that. But yeah, and then I got this squishy. I made it. It's supposed to be an S, but it's like a 5. It looks like a 5, but it's supposed to be a S. Because, you know, my cousin's name starts with the S. Yeah, that's why. And then we got fruits. This is from IKEA. Did I show this? I made this. Anyways, let's just make it. Yeah. Okay, but I made this. I put like Play-Doh and colors inside. I put like blue inside and a little yellow inside. You can see the colors. Blue. It's not purple. It looks like purple, but it's blue. Dark blue. Maybe I'm like gonna do like a role play and Roblox. Maybe someday. Or maybe now. Maybe after this video. Maybe. If I'm allowed with my mom. Yeah. After that, we got the fruits. Let's go back to our fruit. So right here it says groovy earroot. No, let's not do it. You guys can see by yourself. I don't know what it says. But yeah, it's like in Sweden, I think, because it's from Sweden. Let's see from here. Look, it says, right here, it says boss banana. Look, a boss banana. Seriously, boss banana. And right here in the orange, it says far out orange. And the strawberry, it says outside strawberry. Outside strawberry. Okay, so this is a strawberry. It's really squishy. I love it. And you can also play with it like this. Like, I love it. By the way, if you guys like my nails, comment. Yeah, subscribe if you guys like my nails. You better subscribe, or else I'm going to come to your bed at night. No, I'm just kidding. I'll never do that to my fans if they're a big fan of if you guys yeah, whatever. But you can do the same thing with this. It's like something inside. It looks like, it smells like something, but I recognize the smell, but I forgot what it smells like. And then we got the small banana, which is the king because it was in the middle. You can stretch it. It's like a candy. No, I'm just kidding. Ew, I touched it. Yeah. But I'm gonna show you guys another. Okay, wait. I made this one too. It's like water inside. I love it. This is like, my favorite one was the long banana one. This one. Can you guys see it? I don't think so, but this banana, I love that. I love it. But I made this. And then we got this. This is from IKEA. I love it. It's like something inside, and it's really sticky. One time I cut one of these, and when it came out, it's like glue. Something like glue. It's really sticky. I don't know what it is, but if I cut it, guys, never ever cut one of these. Because if you cut them, something like gluey comes out. Bluey. Yeah. Bluey. Yeah. So, last but not least, that my BFF got me. Her name is Leah. You can see it through. Wait, can you guys see it through? You guys, if my BFF is watching this, do you recognize this when you gave me it? I hope so. It's I love it. Like, I don't know the name, I forgot it. I love it. She's the best. And if you guys see this and the ring, she gave me the ring and this. She made it by herself. And look, it says BF. BF. If you guys can see. But this was the last one. And time to show my fidgets. I have like one fidget. Something like that. I have one fidget. You can also take it out like this. Whoa. Glitter, and you can put it back in. Look. If my BFF is watching this, I'm sorry, but you can put it back in. Look. Look. So you can put it back in. Look. Ta-da. It's back in. I've done this the whole time. See? I put it back in. Do you want me to spray water in you? Time to spit out water. Yeah. Okay, let's put everything back in. I hope you guys enjoy this. No, I'm just kidding. Not yet. Not yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just kidding. Pop. Oh. And if you guys was wondering what this thing is right here, I'm going to show you. My BFF gave me this too. She gave me like a lot of things. But it's like a monkey and I love it. I'm going to always keep it. I bring it everywhere with me. Like, this is my BFF right here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. My BFF is not going to be a monkey. I mean, of course they are. Of course I'm a monkey. And everybody is a monkey. But I don't want to call my BFF for a monkey. But I'm going to show you guys my fidget. Oh, wait, guys. My fidget toys. Just a second. Whoa. So I'm going to show you guys my fidget. Wait, let me just do this. My fidget's right over here. This is my fidget. My only fidget that I have. I love it. It sounds. And then my mom's friend, little kid, guess what she gave me? She's the best in the whole world. A lollipop, which I just ate it and it's done. She gave me these pens. It's so pretty. I love them. If you guys want me to test them, I can do it right now. Let me just I got a paper and I made this. too. It's for a long time. But let's see. So the blue color seems like, let me just, right, here's the blue color. Can you see it? Right here. See? This is the blue color. And then this is the color pink. Yeah, pink color. This is how the pink looks like. And then here is the white. I have white too. I didn't know that. Oh. This is yellow. Okay. But it seems like white, but it's yellow. I think I need that. Yeah, it doesn't really look like yellow. It looks like what? White. Not what. Oh, look. No, it's gold. It's gold. Is it yellow or gold? Comment down below. And then I got this purple. Like, this purple looks like pink. I'm not gonna lie. And it's really glittery. I love it. It looks like pink. Look, you see this color? It looks like purple, then it should be this. And this pink one looks more like this. I don't know why. But my best friend gave me also a card. And maybe you guys don't know Sweden, so I will talk like Sweden in English. So it says, grattis Adriana, hoppas att du har en bra dag. Jag hoppas att du älskar de här presenterna. Grattis. Hälsning Lia, tack. Jag sa tack. I said thank you. Now I'm gonna say in English. It's a little hard. Happy birthday, Adriana. That's my name, Adriana. I hope that you have a good day. I hope that you love my presents. Hi, Leah. I don't know. Listening, Leah. And guess how many years old I am? Guess how many years old? 9 years old. I was 8 first. I was like first 7 when I started my video. And then I was first 7 and then 8 and then 9. Is it true? I don't know. And then I got this. This is not from my best friend. It's like from my mom's friend. Yeah. She gave me this. I already started to use. You see? I know how you do it. So you first click here and get it out like that. And then you put like a pen inside. Which pen should I put? Maybe this pen. It kind of looks bad. So you put this inside. Well, you see inside it's blocking. So you have to click here, and the yellow one, and then put it inside. Like that. Put it in, and then you let the yellow one be, and you see this? All the gross things comes in here. So you just spin this. Whoa. Ow. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah. really hard. Ah! Oh my, yuck! Okay. Now, look here. Hallelujah. Bruh. That looks so pretty. No way. Should we try with another pen, guys? If it works. Which pen? Here. I found the perfect pen that we can stack up. There's two pens that does not look good. It's this and this. I don't like that. There. So let's get started. Before we get started, look at that. Oh my gosh. It looks like sprinkles. Look, it came inside. I made a mess. Oh no. Let's clean that up. I'm a good girl. Always clean after me. After when I'm done. You know? You guys be like a good girl or a boy. I hope so. Alright, I'm gonna put this back inside. Whoa. There we go. And you go. Like, it's a half N. We need to be like really N. Oh, so hard. Maybe I have to take this out and put it in. Oh, get in. Maybe get the purple one doesn't work. It's stuck. But the yellow one works. Maybe you have to click the yellow one and put it in. No, it's not that. Maybe yours just... I did this and it closed. Dang. Okay, it's disgusting in there. Ew. Like that. Now, we open this. Like that. And we put one of these. Gotta click the yellow. I forgot because look, if I put it in and not click the yellow, it doesn't go in. So I have to click the yellow, put it in. Cool. And then we listen and we don't judge. I hate you guys. Just kidding. I love you guys. Okay. Like now, other side is really hard. It gets like really good. Ugh. I hate this. It's really hard. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it. Let me just click the yellow. Holly, look at that. You're the best. Yeah, you're the best. Oh my. I'm in the mood for food. I'm in the mood for food. Let's see how much. That's a lot. Not that much, but a lot. Let's try the last pen. Just click the yellow. And then how we start doing it. Yeah. When I go like this side, it's like not that hard. When I go backwards, it's so hard. You're actually supposed to go backwards. Then it gets like more better. Perfecto. Love it. How that hurts so bad. Oh, so I am just gonna right now, like, should I go show you like something? Like I got from I got something. Look at this. Like I got like, so the first thing first, I didn't get this in my birthday, so I got this. It has like a Barbie and it's a little scary. It's ballerina. Or actually it's not ballerina. We have a hair clip here. And we have a hat. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Like, I just want to be like others. I wish you guys could like and subscribe. After that, we have this Barbie doll. Which one is scarier? I think this one is scary and this one, both of them. Okay, so we got her. I can play with her. I mean, we got a lot of gold things and sparkles. It's really good. We got like sparkles. It smells in here. They are. And then we got this. We got like earrings, we got necklace, we got everything. We got crowns, we got a lot of things. We got rings. And yeah. I don't think this is a necklace. I think it's like something, but not a necklace. But let me just fix it up. We'll put that there. Put this here. Put that there. Like that. And then that's it. Please, okay, guys, please like and subscribe. That's it. Just click the button down there. Like so easy. Like so easy. Like, can you guys do that? Okay, please. Okay, please like and subscribe. Like, please. I just want to sleep one day and see. Go to my YouTube channel and I'm just gonna open my eyes from my sleep and just look if I have a lot of subscribers or not. Like, I want to reach to like 1,000. Like, how much are you supposed to even reach? Like, I just want to get like I don't know what to say, but like I don't know why I'm saying like yeah, like it, yeah, guys, just like. Alright, guys, bye.